What's going on, guys? And today I will show you how you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, let's log into your Facebook account, and from here click on your profile icon and go to settings and privacy. Now here click on settings, and from this page you can go to account center. So let's click on see more in account center, and once you're here, go to connected experiences and go to showing links for your profiles, and here click on your Facebook profile, and right below it you can toggle this switch on, and this is going to connect your Facebook to your Instagram. All right, and also you can also go to show links for your profiles. Now this time go to Instagram, and underneath Instagram is also your Facebook account. So you can also switch this toggle on, and your Instagram is now connected to your Facebook. All right, so there you have it, guys. This is how you can connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.